Alright, Google has just dropped another teaser for the Pixel 11 Pro, and this time it's all about one feature, Pixel Glow. After giving us our first official look at the Pixel 11 Pro earlier this month, Google is now putting Pixel Glow front and center. The latest teaser gives us our clearest look yet at the illuminated camera bar, making it clear that Google sees this as one of the Pixel 11 Pro's signature features ahead of the Made by Google event on August 12th. Now, if Pixel Glow looks familiar, that's because nothing has been experimenting with rear lighting for years. More recently, the company introduced the Glyph matrix on its premium phones while continuing to use simpler, segmented lighting on its more affordable models. Google's implementation, however, appears quite different. The teaser shows a circular light performing a pinwheel-like animation. We'll have to wait and see exactly what it can do, but it could be used for notifications, charging animations, and visual feedback for Gemini. Google is clearly making Pixel Glow part of the Pixel 11 Pro's identity. The teaser also highlights apps like Gmail and Maps while calling the phone the next obvious move, suggesting the lighting system is meant to complement Google's growing ecosystem rather than simply look cool. Another interesting detail is that Google has only shown Pixel Glow on the Pixel 11 Pro so far. We haven't seen it on the standard Pixel 11, which makes me wonder if this is going to be another Pro exclusive hardware feature. That wouldn't be too surprising. If you compare the new camera bar with the Pixel 10 Pro, for example, you'll notice Google has completely redesigned the right side. On the Pixel 10 Pro, the flash sat directly above the temperature sensor. On the Pixel 11 Pro, that entire dual cutout is gone, with the Pixel Glow module now occupying the center of that space. Whether Google has removed the temperature sensor altogether or combined multiple components into a new module remains unclear, but it's a significant hardware redesign. If integrating Pixel Glow required reworking the camera bar, it would make sense for Google to keep it exclusive to the premium models. At least for now, the Pixel 11 Pro and Pixel 11 Pro XL appear to be the only devices getting it, although we'll have to wait for Google's official announcement to know for sure. Beyond Pixel Glow, the Pixel 11 lineup is still expected to bring the Tensor G6 chip, Android 17 upgraded cameras, and plenty of new AI features. At the same time, recent leaks suggest the entire lineup could see a price increase due to ongoing memory shortages. The fact that Google has dedicated an entire teaser to Pixel Glow suggests it sees this as more than a flashy addition. It may be positioning it as one of the defining features that helps justify the higher price. The real question is whether it'll be genuinely useful or simply a cool visual effect. If Google gives developers and system apps meaningful access to Pixel Glow, it could become one of the more distinctive smartphone features we've seen in years. But if it's limited to a handful of preset animations, the novelty could wear off pretty quickly. We'll find out on August 12th when Google officially unveils the Pixel 11 lineup. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more Pixel 11 updates. Thanks for watching, and as always, peace.